going. All right, everybody. So first thing, getting started with Davinci Resolve. Here we go. So I got these music video clips and songs, whole folder of them that I'm going to use for this. First thing you want to do is arrange your life a little bit. So what I always, before you start editing and start putting stuff into Resolve and you get it all arranged first. Get yourself, in order first. So, I start in movies, go to movies, I create a new folder in there. I'm going to call it music video. All right. And then I'm going to put the clips, folder of clips in there. All right. So everything's in there. And then anything else, pictures, whatever, put them in the folder before you put them into Davinci Resolve. It's just really important that you don't use your desktop to arrange everything, or just don't use a desktop to store stuff, because you move it, you delete it, it's gone, and then what happens is this: media offline. It's because Davinci no longer knows where to find this clip. Everything I've done is all red and offline, and that's because I moved this folder. All right, so I moved it from here to there, and Davinci did not follow. So that's a bad thing. You don't want that to happen. So I'm just going to start real quick, in Davinci Resolve, and I'm going to start a new project here just so I can start fresh. All right, so I'm going to new project, excuse me. All right, and I'm going to call this mvid 001. All right, I'm going to create. All right, and I am now going to go to my music video files. I'm just going to grab this folder of clips, and I'm just sorry. Let me start over. I'm in the wrong window here. I'm in the editing window right here. I'm going to go here to the media window. The media window shows my hard drive and everything that's on my hard drive. I can go and I can search for my account in my movies folder there, and I can see my music video clip folder and that folder full of videos. There they are. All right, and if you want to do that and search for it, that's fine. I prefer just to grab the folder. Excuse me, let me arrange here a little bit. Grab the folder and just drag it into there. Either way will work fine. I'm just going to do that right now. It's asking me, do I want to change the project frame rate to match the clips? Yes, I do. So change, and now I have all those files here. I have all the music here, right? And I am now going to get out of media tab here, and I'm going to go to the cut tab. All right, so I've just gotten all my clips in. I'm going to click here, and I'm going to press the space bar, and I'm going to listen to this song. All right, and I'm going to find the song that I like. I'm also going to find my clips. There's my clips, and I'm going to look at my clips. So here I got some footprints in the snow. I got different clips. Now the first thing you want to do is go through these clips so you know what you have, and then set the in and out points for the clips. So look at it. A lot of these clips are way too long to use in a music video. Music video, you want to be cutting quick, like every 2 seconds, every 5 seconds. Never let something go for 10 seconds. So find the good parts of the clips that you want to use. Press the I key to set the in point. See that? It cuts off all that stuff at the beginning. Play it a little bit. Press the O key to set the out point of the clip. Now you can see 2 little lines here. When I use this clip, it'll only be this part that I like, that I will use. So again, watch the clip. Okay, some of these are really long clips. Like like I said, you don't want to use the whole thing. So maybe you just like this part with the beach there, right? Okay. I key to set the in point. What happened to my beach? What happened to my beach? There it is. There it is. There it is. Okay. O key, and maybe I want to go back here and reset that I point. So it's a really long clip. You wouldn't want to drop that whole thing into your timeline. You just want to drop this much, right? So go through your clips, set in and out points for things that you like. Then you go over here to this tab, to the Edit tab, and that's where you can start to edit. Now, windows, I'm going to arrange my windows. I got some stuff here that I don't need, video transitions and stuff like that. Just push this button, that get rid of half of that. I can also, right here, I got stuff that's just not very valuable space. I can get rid of that. Little tabs up here let you arrange things. Media pool, all right. Click on some things and see what happens. All right, and there's different views of your clips. There's a list view, there's an icon view. I like the icon view. All right, and now I'm ready to start editing. So to edit, I'm going to grab a clip. All right, and you know, if you didn't set an in and out point, maybe you don't want the person in there, you can set in and out points here as well. So I can you go away please? I can set my in and out, double click on the clip, I can set an in point. You can see it right there. There's the in, there's the out. When I drag that down to the timeline, it's going to play. All right, and there's different ways of looking at the timeline. This little button right here really helps a lot. I can look at my video view. I can see the actual clips there, so you can see the camels there. Same thing with audio. You know, I can see the waveforms. Right? Can't really see them really well. I can adjust the track height. You know, so I can see the waveforms a little better if I need to. Video height, so I can see those videos a little better. All right, that's all this button right here. All right, so now, you know, there's a camel clip, but I need to start with my music. So I'm going to start with my music. I'm going to get rid of that camel clip for right now. I'm going to start with my music, and I'm going to use Ready or Not. Ready or Not, Ready or Not. Where did it go? Where'd it go? How come I can't find it? How come I can't find it? Why is this? There it is. Ready or Not. I'm sure all you guys could see it. Well, I was looking for it, but all right, and drag it in there. Drop it. All right. You can see now I got audio there. Now, the first thing you want to do with your audio is lock it. So lock that so you can't mess it up. Because if I grab a clip that has sound and I drop it in here, it will now replace that sound. So that's terrible. You don't want that to happen. Lock that so that doesn't happen. Then when you drag it down, well, no, now it's going to add that sound in on another layer. If you want that to happen, that's fine. I don't want that to happen. You can always, you know, these are attached together. If you click this little link right here, you can delink them, and now they're not attached, and you can delete that sound that you don't want. Okay, I'm just undoing. If you don't want to do that, you can also, there's a switch right here. All right, oh, it's locked. Switch right here. Maybe I can't. Let me just. Okay, see this switch right here? When it puts that down, undo that. And then when you drop down sound, it only drops down. It only drops down the video. Okay, so that's a little trick. It wants to. What these little switches right here do is say this V1 is active. Audio 1 is inactive, this one is locked, so when it tries to drag a clip, it won't drop it into audio 1. All right. Again, if you turn that switch on, then the audio comes down there. Okay. If you turn that switch off, just the video. Okay. So just little switches that you need to know about. They'll make your life easier. Again, if this happens, I'm sorry. If this happens, this chain is on. They're attached. Just hit the little link, and then you can delete. All right. So now you're ready to start editing. You can trim in clips, you can drag new clips in, drop them in there, and next tutorial we'll start doing some editing. So you're on your way. You're started now. So do that much. All right. You're good. That's it. When you're done with that, make sure before you move on, project save as. I don't like copies, so I just increment the number here and I save. Get out of there. All right, that's it. Have fun.